Guys, so this is the makeup tutorial for today, but I have something to show you guys. This eye is cracking and I'm so annoyed. Let me see if I can zoom in and show you guys. It's cracking, and that's because I didn't blend out the white base underneath. You guys, I'm heavily annoyed. But besides that, I mean, she look cute, right? She looks cute. Shy. So this is the look for today, you guys. Hope you guys love it. I love this double cut crease, the darkness on top, the brightness underneath. It's just phenomenal, except I really want to change my lip. I'm going to change my lip to a nude lip. Let me see if I can MacGyver or something. So this is Fenty Beauty Space Suit, her lip gloss. And let me see, this is nude from is a LA Pro primer in nude. It's okay, but I'm not feeling it, you know. Let me line my lips with Plum lip liner from LA Girl. A little bit. Okay, yeah. I like this better. I love nude lips. I'll probably bring in some dark lips soon, but you know, this look called for a nude lip. But this is it for this intro, you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment. I have been responding to my comments. I feel very proud of myself, but I don't want to, you know, like knock on wood, need some wood. That's how I respond to your comments, but do go ahead and leave some comments, leave some suggestions, what videos you'd like to see. And again, I appreciate you guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, share this video, click like, do all fun stuff. Okay, enjoy the video. Go on, boo, go on, man. Go on, man, watch it. Alright guys, so welcome to the voiceover. I'm actually taking what I always take to my brow bone, and this is my Sasha Buttercup, but it's in pressed form and it's actually a sample size. Now I've been using these palettes a lot because truthfully they're the ones I have opened up on my table, and I don't have that much colorful palettes. I gave some away, I discarded, I got rid of some. I was pressed for space, I ain't got my space in my little room, you know what I'm saying, baby? So I got rid of some palettes. So yes, I'm done for some new palettes and stuff, so there will be more coming up on my channel, but for now we're just gonna give the crayon case the glory it deserves. Hallelujah. So right now I'm actually just mixing colors, and the aim was so that I don't get that harsh what you call it, brow bone line. But girl, it is so difficult. I don't know if it's my hairs that's getting, but you see that line right there? I'm seeing the line, but anyway, so I'm just working it in, getting as much colors as I want as possible. Then I'm going to add this yellow, and that's going to go on my brow bone. Now I know I look a little bit crazy. I look like I don't care about my appearance, but let me tell you what happened this morning. I even vlogged it too. So this morning I carried Jonathan to school, but I woke up early, put my foundation on and everything, and I came back and carried to do the eyes, right? So I went on the road, full face, I was baking and everything. So when I came back under, I was like, crap, I need to hurry up do this so I can go back for Jonathan to carry him to school. Backside. Never remember to blood cleanse. I may have things put up on YouTube to blood cleanse. I'm just come sit down and just start work. The white that I use the white that I use is actually from Sasha Cosmetics, and it's their eyeshadow adhesive, but I use it as a shadow base. Now the hardest part for me when working with colors is to give you guys a combo that I have not done before. Not a combo that you've never seen before, but a combo that I've never done before. So I don't think I've ever done this yellow, pink, and red. I mean, I could be wrong, but I was like, okay, what would work, what wouldn't work? So I really wanted to do a double cut crease, sorry, and I found myself like going online, you know, looking for inspiration and stuff like that. So that's what I did, and I saw some nice interpretations, but then I went back to how I would typically do my double cut crease. Now you see that little white peeking out on top? I tried to get my red eyeshadow to go on top of that white, and it just wouldn't budge. I was like, you know what, I'm gonna leave it. It looks cute. It looks as if I actually lined my eyes with a white eyeliner, but I didn't. It's just a color. I think I'm going to do something similar to that, where anyway, you guys will see anyway. So this is my Sasha Cosmetics eyeliner pencil, and that's what I use to create the second cut crease, the double cut crease. Then I'm taking this color and I'm blending it out, and I'm seeing there it's not really giving me the effects that I want, so I go into the other palette, and then I'm going to use the black. Now what I regret doing is using so much black. I wish I had gone in a little bit with the black, then gone in with the other color I used before, that purpley plummy color, to kind of tone down the black, because the black for me was very, very overpowering for this look. So yeah, So that's like my only regret for this look. So now I'm lining my eyes with LA Pro Primer in black, and I'm going to blend it out with a liner with a pencil brush. It's small enough to blend it out from the lash line and then I went in with a little bit of the black to just to kind of set it almost, and I'm feathering it out to create a little wing. So now I'm going in with the white eyeshadow base that I used before to apply my lid colors, and then I'm using that as another base to bring out the brightness in this blue, because you want to make it pop. Yeah, so that's what I chose to do for this look, and I'm basically finished. I'm going to go in with the glow from the Watch Me blush palette again from the crayon case, and for my lips I'm going to be using Fenty Beauty Space Suit, and this is basically the look, you guys. And then I use the blush from the palette as again. So that, oh, the lashes are from my lash line, not yet released, but they're coming, they're on their way. So yeah, so that's basically it for the look. I'm just going to wrap my hair, show you guys how I do that, and that's it. Thank you so much, you guys, for watching. Thank you for your support. Big up on yourself. Don't forget to check out my vlog channel, Lyric Uncut. I'm vlogging not every day again, and if you're over there, you know why I'm not vlogging every day, but I'm vlogging way more than I used to, and I'm loving every minute of it. Yeah, so that's it for this look, you guys, and I'll talk to you in the next video. Bye, guys. Jonathan not here, so I can't say bye, guys, but bye, guys.
Our this father closer than a man and his barber. You know that I when me want, but you know there is a part of me that's warring against part of me like Spartans. Jesus living water make me smart, so me know everything else a dirty water. So me say me not you that.
Yo, Ordinary, what a go on?
Why I want to show you say I gotta go on in a Murphy.
That sound like a new chat.
No longer afraid of the dark. Me tell the Lord, me habitat. New chat, gotta go on at the talk. Gotta go on. Gotta.